Do you know that your very first words in English can shape how someone remembers you forever? Yep, your hello might just open the right doors or close them. Welcome to English Unleashed, the podcast zone where English becomes simple, fun, and part of your everyday life. I'm your host, Maya, and today we're unlocking the magic of greetings and introductions. Whether you're meeting someone for the first time, chatting with a stranger, or saying hi to your new English teacher, this episode is for you. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this podcast with a friend who's learning English too. And of course, drop a comment telling us your favorite English greeting or one you want to master. Let's start with formal greetings. You'll use these in meetings, interviews, or when speaking to someone older. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, how do you do? Now, let's move to informal greetings, perfect for friends, social media, or classmates. Hi. Hey. What's up? How's it going? Example. Hey, what's up? Long time no see. Cool, right? Now, let's talk about how to introduce yourself. Use these. I'm Maya. My name is Maya. Nice to meet you. Let's hear it in action. Hi, I'm Maya. Nice to meet you. Hi, Maya. I'm Alex. Nice to meet you too. Want to ask someone their name? Try these. What's your name? May I know your name? Who am I speaking with? Here's an example. Hello, what's your name? I'm John. And you? I'm Lucy. Nice to meet you. All right, time to shadow. I speak, you repeat. Let's go. Hello. Good morning. Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Awesome, you're doing great. Let's fix some classic beginner mistakes. Wrong. What your name? Correct. What's your name? Wrong. I am name is David. Correct. My name is David. Or I'm David. Let's test you. Fill in the blank. 1. Splank. My name is Emma. 2. What's blank name? 3. Nice to blank you. Answers. 1. Hi. 2. Your. 3. Meet. Today, we learned how to greet formally and informally, how to introduce yourself, how to ask for someone's name, how to pronounce